Praise be to Lord Jesus Christ. Today I am showing you the preparation of Pesaha, meaning Passover, Appam and Pesaha Appam, a customary preparation in the central part of Kerala. The Pesaha Appam and Pal should be prepared with great caution and prayer. The ingredients are 1 cup of white rice or idly rice, 1/4 cup of urad dal, both washed and soaked it in water for 3 hours, grated coconut 1 cup, shallot, 4 shallot, 2 garlic and 1 teaspoon of cumin. If you don't like the flavor of shallot or garlic, you can avoid it, but it will add a great flavor to the batter for the appam. Now take rice and grind it to a smooth paste, adding adequate amount of water. And next urad dal, grind it using adequate amount of water and transfer it into a bowl. Then just crush the mixture of grated coconut, shallot and garlic and cumin. Just crush it, don't make it into a thin paste. Now our batter is ready. The consistency of the batter should be that of idli batter. And add a half teaspoon of salt to it. You can taste the batter, and if you're finding the salt is less, you can add more salt. If the batter is thick, you can add little bit of coconut milk to it and keep it for rest for 2 hours. This is unleavened bread, so it should not be fermented. Now take a handful of red rice or Kerala rice and roast it to just for 2 minutes until the color changes. Just don't over roast it, just need to change the color of the red rice. This is for thickening of the milk and grind. After it is roasted, you can grind it. Now take a vessel and keep it on gas for Pesaha Appam preparation. Take the second extract of coconut milk and 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Take dry ginger half teaspoon, cardamom powder half teaspoon, cumin or jeera powder half teaspoon and keep it aside. Now add 250 to 300 ml of Jaggery syrup into the pan and take a spoon and stir it. For the preparation of Jaggery syrup, you have to take 250 to 300 cubes of Jaggery, melt it and strain it and allow it to thicken until it comes to the consistency of a syrup. Now add the second extract of coconut milk into the Jaggery syrup and keep on stirring. The gas should not be on a high flame. Keep on stirring the mixture, pal, until it comes to a consistency. Keep on stirring. Now we can add the powder mixture, cumin powder, jeera powder and dry ginger powder to the mixture. We can cut the tender coconut leaves we get from the church on Palm Sunday in the form of cross into the Pesaha Appam. Now we are adding 2.5 teaspoon of red rice powder which we roasted before for thickening the milk. Now stir it continuously until it comes to a consistency. Now add the thick coconut milk to the Pesaha Appam and keep on stirring it. Now we can switch off the gas. Add a pinch of salt. We add cut bananas to it. It's optional. If you don't like the taste of banana, no need to add it. Now the Pesaha Appam is ready. Now our batter is ready. Take it in a plate. Grease it. Take baking powder paper. Now we can pour in the batter. 3/4 of the plate of the batter should be there. If we are the tender coconut leaf we get on Hosanna day in the church. Now if it is there, now we can place it in the form of cross shape in the middle of the batter. Once the steam has come inside the steamer, we place the plate inside the steamer. Now we'll keep it for 15-20 minutes or until the batter is cooked. Now we'll cover it with a lid and allow the batter to be cooked. Now 20 minutes is over. We can check whether our batter is cooked using a toothpick. Now our batter is cooked, so we can switch off the gas. Blessed Maundy Thursday to all. God bless you.